Welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq. Today I'm sharing 5 Blue Cross Blue Shield remote job leads that are hiring right now. With great benefits, no degree required. These roles are perfect for beginners, customer service professionals, or anyone just looking to start working from home. So let's get into it. Our first role is a customer service advocate for the Medicaid department. This is a full time remote position. So, what you will do in this role is you will answer calls from members, providers, and brokers. You will help with benefits, billing, claims, and eligibility questions, as well as provide support for online tools and self service programs. You will also document customer interactions and update account information. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. Less than 1 year of customer service experience is needed. Strong communication skills and call center or healthcare terminology is a plus. The salary range for this position starts at $32,000 ending at $59,000, which all depends on your location and your experience. So, if you're interested in the customer service advocate for the Medicaid department, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role from Care First Blue Cross Blue Shield is also a customer service advocate. This is a full time remote role. So, again, what you would do in this position is assist members and providers over the phone, answer questions about benefits, billing, claims, and eligibility, help customers navigate online tools and self service programs again, and you will research and resolve customer issues while updating their accounts. So, for this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, less than 1 year customer service experience. Also, the salary range for this position is $32,000 ending at $59,000, again, which all depends on your location and your experience. So this is a great perfect entry level remote role opportunity. So if you're interested in the customer advocate, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role from Care First Blue Cross Blue Shield is a customer service advocate for the Medicare department. This is a full time remote position. So, again, what you will do is answer calls from members, providers, and brokers. You will help with claim, benefits, billing, and eligibility questions. You will provide that support for online tools and self service programs. Again, and you will help research and resolve customer concerns while updating their records. Again, you only need a high school diploma or GED and less than 1 year of customer service experience. For this role, it does start the salary at $32,000 and then at $59,000, which all depends on your location and your experience. So again, if you are looking for that beginner entry level healthcare remote role, this is a great position. The link will be in the description to apply. Our next role from Care First Blue Cross Blue Shield is an Enrollment Technician 1. This is a full time remote position. So, what you will do in this role is process member enrollments and update for health plans. You will verify enrollment information and resolve discrepancies. You will handle terminations, member changes, and reconciliation tasks. You will also work with billing and account installation teams to ensure accurate records. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. Less than 1 year experience is needed, strong attention to detail and data entry skills, and you must be comfortable using Microsoft Excel and working with large amounts of data. For this role, the salary starts at $31,000 ending at $58,000, which all depends on your location and your experience. So, if you have that data entry background and you're looking for a great entry level remote opportunity, this is a great role. The link will be in the description to apply. Our last role is a program manager. This is a full time remote role. So, what you will do is manage healthcare management programs and vendor partnerships. You will lead project focused on improving program performance and customer outcomes. You will analyze program results and organizational metrics. You will coordinate with leadership, vendors, and cross functional teams, as well as drive process improvements and strategic initiatives. For this role, they would like to see someone with a bachelor's degree or 4 additional years of related experience. They would like to see 8 years of project or program management experience, strong leadership, communication, and data skills. Also, healthcare vendor management experience is preferred. For this role, the pay starts at $106,000 a year, ending at $211,000 per year, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is an excellent high-paying remote leadership role for folks who have that past experience in program management, project management, or vendor management with strong growth potential. So if you're interested in the program manager remote role with CareFirst Blue Cross Blue Shield, the link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that wraps up today's CareFirst Blue Cross Blue Shield remote job leads. If you saw a role that you like, be sure to apply as soon as possible because remote positions go quickly. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments which position you're applying for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.